Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trailhawk. This one's gray. Underneath the hood is a 3.6 V6 pushing out 290 horsepower and 263 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 18-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Running boards. Grand Cherokee badging. Black leather interior with Trailhawk stitched in the back. Sunroof. Rear climate controls, rear roof spoiler, trailer hitch, 4x4 Trailhawk badging, power liftgate, set of all-season floor mats and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats. Come alongside, this one does come with keyless entry, power windows, memory seats, power seats. Hopping in, we've got a nice leather steering wheel. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Navigation. This also comes with a touchscreen multimedia display. Rear view backup camera. Heated seats. Dual climate controls. Automatic transmission, different driving modes. We've got 6,280 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Jeep, check out feldmannimports.com.